Hello students, welcome to Kadam Study Center. So in this lecture we will discuss about syllabus of subject English. Okay, जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा था हम इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट भी जल्दी स्टार्ट करेंगे और हमने ग्राफ थ्योरी एक सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट किया है, लेकिन बाकी के सब्जेक्ट्स हमने अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किए, वो भी एक के बाद एक सारे सब्जेक्ट हम स्टार्ट कर लेंगे। अभी हम इंग्लिश सिलेबस के इंग्लिश का जो सिलेबस है उसका एक इंट्रोडक्शन इस लेक्चर में लेंगे। ओके Okay, as you can know, in semester one we also have English subject. Semester one में भी हमें English subject था, उसमें हमें basic grammar skills as well as vocabulary and speaking for different purposes. Okay, I already uploaded these lectures based on these topics on in semester first on YouTube. Okay, आपने वो lectures देखे ही होंगे. Okay, then in semester 2 we have English subjects for 50 marks. Okay, so let's see the marking scheme of English subject. Okay, as you can see, okay, for 2 credits English subject is for 2 credits, theory total marks 50. Okay, so semester end exams total marks 35, minimum 14 marks for passing and internal assessment for 15 marks. Okay, in your college your internal examination will uh, your examination internal examination for 20 or 15 marks, they convert it into 10 marks and 5 marks for your assignments or some other activities related to this subject. Okay, total 15 marks. Okay, so here you can see the format of 35 marks, that is end sem examination, semester end examination. Question 1 for 10 marks, question 2 for 10 marks and question 3 for 15 marks. Okay, this pattern for semester second. And internal assessment pattern, as I can say, tutorial marks 10, that is internal your internal exam theory paper in your college. This theory paper will take for 20 marks or 15 marks and they convert it into 10 marks and 5 marks for your home assignment or oral examination. Okay, 5 marks, total 15 plus 35, total 50 marks. Okay, and 2 credits for this subject. Okay, so in today's lecture we will discuss the syllabus of subject English. Okay, wait for 1 minute. Okay, first in today's lecture I will not teach you something, I will only discuss the syllabus, what we will learn in future. Okay, future means tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, so this is your course code ENG 101. कोर्स टाइटल इज मतलब आपके सब्जेक्ट का नाम है प्रोफेशनल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. ओके, इन शॉर्ट वी से इंग्लिश. क्रेडिट टू. ओके, then first topic of this subject is forms of writing. Okay, there are various forms of writing. Second topic is soft skills. Then third topic is business communications. Okay, only 3 topics are given in the semester second. Okay, allotted lectures, it will depend on your college how many lectures they can conduct in a week or in a semester. Okay, okay, so first we will discuss about forms of writing. Okay, there are various forms of writing. First is letter writing. As you can know, in your 10th board examination, you will write a letter. Okay, in writing skill section. Okay, where in your board SSC board examination, there is an English subject, and in that English subject, you have given a section D or section E. I think last section, that is writing skill. Okay, in writing skill, you have given letter writing, dialogue writing, report writing, etc., etc. Okay, these are forms of writing. So what is letter writing? Okay, letter writings means we have write a letter to someone. मतलब हम किसी को एक लेटर लिखते हैं, आपने लेटर का फॉर्मेट देखा ही होगा. ओके, देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. आपने पहले ये सुना ही होगा. ओके, एज यू कैन नो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. इनफॉर्मल लेटर मतलब जो फॉर्मल लेटर. ओके, फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल. In this formal letter used to official communications, example applications, complaints and inquiries. Okay, we can use formal letters for application purposes in official uses. Okay, official communications like you want leave in your from your job. Okay, you want to complain something about your college or faculties, etc., etc. You want to complain to your panchayat office about your roads, electricity, water, etc., etc. Formal letters means official letters. Okay, and then informal letters mean writing to your friends, family, okay, etc. Informal letters means relationship, like letters you can write letters to your family, friends, okay, relatives, etc., etc. Okay, so now you can clear this topic. Okay, now you got the idea about this topic, letter writing. Then writing resume. So what is writing resume? Writing resume means resume is a document highlighting your skill, education, and work experience. Okay, when you will get a job or you want to apply for any kind of job, then you want to get a resume. The company or the head of that department, मतलब जहाँ पे आपको जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करना हो उसके जो हेड्स है वो आपके आपसे रेज्यूमे मांगते सो इन रेज्यूमे इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट हाईलाइटिंग योर स्किल्स that highlight your skills. In resume you want to write about your skills, your educations and your work experience. Okay, and in resume you want also you also attach your documents also. Okay, so there are some sections of resume. In resume you want to highlight your name, matlab uh, you want to highlight your name, contact details, phone, etc., email, etc., etc. Then there are many key sections like objective summary about your education, work experience, skills, additional section, etc., etc. Okay, when you writing your resume, then you want to use language clear and professional format. You want to language clear. You want to use your language clearly and it right ग्रामेटिकली मतलब आपका जो ग्रामर है उस रेज्यूमे में आप किस लैंग्वेज में रेज्यूम कर ले मोस्टली इंग्लिश में ही रेज्यूम देते हैं तो वहां पे आपके ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स नहीं होने चाहिए. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. Okay, so what about report writing? You know that report writing is a structured document that present information about some program, about some matlab that are happening in your college or any official spaces. Report writing is a document that presents some information, analysis or recommendation on a specific topic or issue. Okay, there are many structure of report writing: title page, table of content. In report writing, you require introduction, body of report, conclusion, recommendation, etc., etc. For example, in your college, you celebrated Republic Day. Okay, so now you want to report your principal what you can do in your फंक्शन मतलब आपने वो रिपब्लिक डे में क्या क्या किया तो आपको उसका रिपोर्ट बना के आपके प्रिंसिपल को या फिर किसी भी हेड को आपको देना पड़ेगा. तो उसमें आप क्या क्या इंक्लूड करोगे? टाइटल पेज, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी, कंक्लूजन, रिकमेंडेशन, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज notice, agendas and minutes. So what is notice, agendas and minutes? Notice means a formal announcement to inform people about an event. Okay, notice means a formal announcement. In your school, in your colleges, there are many notices are provided to you. Okay, notice is a formal announcement. Then agendas means a list of topic or activities to be discussed in a meeting. Suppose you have meeting of your classroom, so what is the agenda of your meeting? So you have given a list of topics that discuss in your meeting. Okay, then minutes. Minutes means an official record or what transfer during a meeting including discussion and decision. Okay, key components of minutes is title, date, time, location and name of attendance. Okay, etc. Then email is, you can know about email is a electronic mail. Then blog writing. So what is blog writing? Blog writing is an online article or post written in form, okay, or engage readers on a particular topics. Blog writing is a online format. Okay, you can provide information about some specific topic. Okay, or you can engage your readers about the particular topic. Okay, these are blog writing. Okay, then soft skills. Second topic is soft skills. Okay, these six topics we have discussed about, these are forms of writing. Then the second topic is soft skill. So what is soft skill? Soft skills are personal qualities that help you work well with others and handle different situations effectively. They are about how you communicate with others, how you behave with others, and solve how you solve problems of others or your problems also. Okay, examples of soft skills are communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management, leadership skills. Okay, there are many types of soft skills. So in soft skills you have to learn definitions and nature, soft skills versus hard skill. Okay, importance of soft skills, types of soft skills. Okay, soft skills in career prospects. Okay, in your career, what are the use of soft skills? So these are these soft skills in career prospects we will learn in our lectures. Okay, then business communication. Third topic is business communication. So what is business communication? Business communication is sharing of information between people within and outside a company. It helps, business communications helps you in achieving business goal effectively and efficiently. Okay, then there are many types of business communication: internal, external, etc., etc. And there are various methods of communication like verbal, non-verbal, written communications. Okay, in verbal communications, talking in person on calls or in meeting, and non-verbal means body language, gestures or facial expression, and in written communication, email, reports, letters, etc., etc. Okay, these are three topics you have to learn in your second semester. Okay, we will learn these three topic one by one in next lecture. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. This is only introductory lecture about your syllabus. Okay, this is sufficient for today. Then in next lecture we will start first topic of forms of writing. Okay, in that we will start letter writing. Okay, so this is sufficient for today. Okay, and another lectures like C programming, electronics are come soon. Okay, coming soon on our channel. Okay, so be patient, बार बार कमेंट मत करो कि लेक्चर क्यों नहीं आ रही. ओके, जल्दी लेक्चर आपको देखने के लिए मिल जाएंगे. हमने ग्राफ थ्योरी ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे चालू कर दिया है हमारे चैनल पे. ओके, so that's it for today. If you like this lecture, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you not subscribe to our channel, you will not get notifications of our lectures. Okay, so be subscribed to our channel. And if you have any doubt, please ask in comment section or DM me on Instagram. Instagram link is available in description box, and this PDF is also available on Telegram. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, tatas, bye bye.